Ready to heat your home with timeless charm and fuel savings? Our video to the best wood-burning stoves compares cast iron and steel models, catalytic versus non-catalytic designs, and the British thermal unit output you need for your room size. We'll explain Environmental Protection Agency efficiency ratings, burn times, and key safety features like airwash glass, ash pans, and outside air kits. You'll learn about installation clearances, chimney requirements, and maintenance tips, so you can choose a stove that's warm, efficient, and built to last. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. US Stove US1269E, our find for best budget wood burning stove. If you want dependable heat for a cabin, small home, or workshop without overspending, the US Stove US1269E is a solid choice. The heavy-duty cast iron body stores and radiates warmth long after the fire dies down, giving you steady comfort through cold nights. With output up to 54,000 British thermal units, it's sized to heat spaces up to about 900 square feet, ideal for compact living areas, garages, and weekend retreats. You'll spend less time tending the fire. The generous firebox accepts logs up to 19 inches, so you load fewer pieces and enjoy longer burn cycles when you use properly seasoned wood. Practicality shows up in the footprint and construction. At roughly 33 inches long and 18.5 inches wide with 23 inches of height and about 130 pounds, the US 1269E fits well in tighter layouts while offering the stability and durability you expect from cast iron. The clean black finish blends with rustic and modern spaces alike. For best results, follow local codes for installation and clearances, ensure proper venting, and burn dry hardwood to maximize heat and minimize creosote. Routine ash removal and periodic chimney checks will keep performance consistent all season. If you're after the best budget wood-burning stove, one that balances classic build quality, respectable heat output, and straightforward operation, the US Stove US 1269E delivers reliable warmth and value for smaller spaces. Number 4. Ashely Hearth AW1120 EP, our find for best wood-burning stove for small home. If you want dependable whole-room warmth for a small home or cabin, the Ashely Hearth AW1120 EP is sized just right. Delivering up to 68,000 British thermal units, it's rated to heat spaces up to about 1,200 square feet, perfect for open living areas, compact floor plans, and weekend getaways. The durable alloy steel body arrives ready to use, and the pedestal base gives the stove a clean, balanced look that fits a range of decor. You'll load less often and enjoy steady heat. The firebox accepts logs up to 18-inch long, and the fire brick lining improves combustion efficiency while protecting the stove for a longer service life. Heat feels even and consistent once the stove is up to temperature, especially when you're burning properly seasoned hardwood. Daily upkeep stays simple. A large ash pan with a brushed nickel handle makes cleanouts quick, and the brushed nickel spring door handle offers a secure, comfortable grip while tending the fire. With routine maintenance and the right fuel, you'll get reliable performance through the coldest months. For the best results, follow local codes for installation and clearances, ensure proper chimney venting, and keep wood dry to reduce creosote and maximize heat. If you're after the best wood-burning stove for a small home, balancing output, efficiency, and easy maintenance, the AW1120 EP brings comfortable, controlled heat in a compact, elegant package. Still searching for the perfect wood-burning stove? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Cleveland Iron Works PSBF66W, our find for best pellet wood-burning stove. If you want high-output, low-maintenance heat with smart control, the Cleveland Iron Works PSBF66W is a strong pick. This pellet stove arrives assembled in a clean black finish, so setup is straightforward. Place it, vent it per code, and you're on your way to steady, controllable warmth. You'll feel the difference in larger spaces. Rated to heat roughly 1,800 to 2,500 square feet, it's built for open living areas, main floors, and small homes that need consistent, whole-room comfort. The 66-pound hopper supports long burn times with fewer refills, helping you maintain an even temperature through cold nights and weekend stretches. Control is simple and flexible. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you manage settings from your phone. Great for preheating before you get home, dialing things down at bedtime, or checking status without leaving the couch. Daily use is calm and predictable. pellets feed automatically for consistent output, while the thermostat helps hold the temperature you choose. Ownership stays practical too. Pellets are easy to store and handle, and routine cleaning keeps airflow strong and performance efficient all season. Proper venting and clearances are essential, and following local codes will ensure safe, reliable operation. If you're after the best pellet wood-burning stove, one that blends big room capacity, smart app control, and long-running convenience, the PSBF 66W delivers dependable heat and everyday ease in a single, ready-to-use package. Number 2. Ashely Hearth AW3200 EP, our find for best wood-burning stove for large spaces. If you want wall-to-wall warmth for big open floor plans, the Ashely Hearth AW3200 EP is built to deliver. Pushing up to 152,000 British thermal units, it's rated to heat as much as 3,200 square feet. Ideal for great rooms, large basements, and expansive main floors. The heavy-gauge 3/16-inch reinforced plate steel body is fire brick lined to boost combustion efficiency, protect the firebox, and help the stove radiate steady heat long after the flames settle. You'll load less and burn longer. The spacious firebox accepts 18 to 22-inch logs and holds up to 30 pounds of wood, so you can build a robust, slow and steady fire with properly seasoned hardwood. An included adjustable high-speed blower moves heat evenly through the room, reducing cold spots and getting spaces comfortable faster. Daily use stays straightforward. The pedestal base provides a stable footprint, while the brushed nickel spring door handle adds a refined touch and a secure grip when tending the fire. With no assembly required, you can focus on placement, venting, and clearances, so the stove performs safely and efficiently from day one. If you're outfitting a large home and want high output, durable construction, and even heat distribution, this best wood-burning stove for large spaces balances capacity and control, helping you keep big areas warm with fewer reloads and a cleaner, more efficient burn. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Ashely Hearth AW2520 EP, our find for best wood-burning stove overall. If you want serious whole-home heat with classic wood-burning character, the Ashely Hearth AW2520 EP delivers. Built from durable alloy steel in a clean black finish, this 291-pound pedestal stove is designed for long service life and steady warmth. You get big room performance, up to 112,800 British thermal units to heat as much as 2,500 square feet, so open living areas and multi-room spaces stay comfortable. The firebox accepts logs up to 21-inch long, making loading simpler and supporting longer burn cycles with properly seasoned wood. Fire brick lining boosts combustion efficiency and protects the stove body, helping it hold and radiate heat more evenly over time. Day-to-day upkeep is straightforward. A large ash drawer with a brushed nickel handle streamlines clean-out between burns, and the brushed nickel spring door handle provides a solid, refined touch as you tend the fire. The pedestal base gives the stove a balanced, elegant look that fits a range of decors, from rustic to modern farmhouse. For the best experience, burn dry, seasoned hardwood, and follow clearances and venting requirements per local code or a professional installer. Proper setup pays off with safer operation, cleaner burns, and more consistent heat throughout the season. If you're after the best wood-burning stove overall, one that combines high output, durable construction, efficient combustion, and easy maintenance, the AW2520 EP is a powerful, reliable centerpiece for cold weather comfort. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which wood-burning stove you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.